let's start first with downloading this Cisco Packet Tracer. So first open the link in the description and select the appropriate version and OS system. For me it's Windows 64 bits, so I'm downloading that one. So now you can then click yes on the pop-up. So the setup would pop-up would be coming up, so you have to accept the agreement if you want to continue. Then select the path where you want to save it. Then you can select if you want these. I would be selecting both as it's good for me. So this might take a bit. So click on the finish and the Cisco Packet Tracer will be launching. So we can run as multi-user when the application starts, so it's no problem for me, so I would be going with the yes. Now you have to give click on allow to give the access to network. You can turn this on so you don't have to log in every single time you want to use this, and then click on login and the browser will be opening up. So after logging in, this tab would be showing like this, and you can just close this, and in general you can just close the browser, and now the Cisco Packet Tracer is ready for use. So the setup for the Cisco Packet Tracer is now complete. So let us now make the first topology, which is let's just communicate two PCs with each other. So let's start with taking two PCs and connecting them with cables. So as we can see, we have connected those and now it shows an error that they have no functional ports. This is because we need to give them IP address. So we don't need to manually type subnet every time. We can just select on tab or enter. So Cisco Packet Tracer will directly give the subnet mask for us. So we did the work and now let's check. So we transferred the packet and it's showing success. So let's check it again, and we can do this by either click on P or the packet button, which I just did in the second time. So if we want to add the third PC, we just cannot manually connect it with cable because it is not having the port. So like any of the PCs cannot be connected because of lack of ports. We can see only one Ethernet port is there in each of the PC. So now to overcome that problem, we need to add some another device. So this networking device is switch. So we can find switch here and we will be using 2906 switch here. So let's place the switch and take some PC and connect them. So now the connections are done. Let's give IP address to each of the one, but make sure everyone has the same network. So I am choosing 192.168.1 as my IP, and also we can just copy and paste the IP, so it's super easy, and just tab to give the subnet mask. So now let's check if the packets are going through. We can now see that every packet is successfully transferred, so our topology is working properly. Now before leaving, let us just set some preferences so we can use our Cisco packet tracer with a bit more ease. So first we would turn the show always show ports on the workspace and align our workspace objects. So now we would set the size at 8 and the size of CLI and tooltips at 12. So for the colors, we will keep the text as white and background as black. This was it for the video. Hope you all understood.